Imagine a city unlike any we've known. Towers touch the clouds, their forms both strange and beautiful. This is not a scene from science fiction, but a glimpse into a future shaped by artificial intelligence. In this future, buildings are not just built, they are grown. AI architects with minds of algorithms and hearts of data are designing our world. Imagine buildings that adapt to our needs, cities that evolve with our dreams. This is the promise of AI in architecture. Holographic models and AI simulations guide every decision. Autonomous drones and AI monitor every aspect of the city. Even transportation systems are seamlessly managed by AI. What is an AI architect? It's not a robot with a drafting table, nor a machine that builds structures on its own, but a powerful software program designed to assist human architects. It uses algorithms and machine learning to design buildings and even entire cities, transforming the way we approach architecture. These AI architects are fed massive amounts of data, building codes, material properties, environmental conditions, even historical styles. The AI analyzes this information, looking for patterns and possibilities that humans might miss, offering innovative solutions. The result? Buildings designed with incredible speed and efficiency, often surpassing traditional methods. AI can generate thousands of design variations in the time it takes a human to sketch a single idea, revolutionizing the field of architecture. With AI architects, the possibilities are endless, from sustainable buildings to smart cities, shaping the future of our built environment. AI excels in optimizing building performance, making buildings more efficient and sustainable than ever before. By analyzing sunlight patterns, it can design buildings that maximize natural light, reducing energy consumption, and creating healthier living environments. AI can also optimize structural integrity, creating buildings that are both strong and lightweight, ensuring safety and durability. This optimization isn't just about efficiency, it's about innovation, pushing the boundaries of traditional architecture. AI can generate designs that push the boundaries of what's possible, creating futuristic and unique structures. Imagine buildings that mimic nature's forms or structures that seem to defy gravity, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. AI can help us build smarter, greener, and more sustainable cities, enhancing the quality of urban life. It's a powerful tool for tackling the challenges of urbanization and climate change, offering innovative solutions for a better future. AI also optimizes energy management systems, ensuring buildings use energy efficiently, reducing costs and environmental impact. Additionally, AI can manage water resources more effectively, implementing smart irrigation systems, and reducing water waste. AI-driven waste management solutions help minimize waste, promoting sustainability in every aspect of building design. But what about the human element of architecture? Buildings are more than just structures, they are spaces where we live, work, and dream. This is where human architects excel. Humans bring an understanding of culture, history, and emotion to their designs. They can create spaces that are not just functional but also inspiring, comforting, and beautiful. Think of a soaring cathedral that inspires awe, or a cozy home that embraces you with warmth. These are spaces designed not just with logic, but with heart. Consider a community park that brings people together, fostering connections and joy. Or a serene library that offers a quiet retreat in a bustling city. Human architects listen, understand, and translate dreams into reality. The future of architecture is not a competition between humans and AI, but a collaboration. This partnership is about merging the analytical power of AI with the creative intuition of human architects. Imagine AI generating thousands of design options, each optimized for efficiency and sustainability. These designs are not just random, they are meticulously crafted by AI to meet specific criteria and constraints. Then, imagine human architects stepping in, selecting the best designs, and infusing them with artistry and emotion. They bring a unique perspective that AI alone cannot provide, adding layers of meaning and cultural relevance. This partnership can lead to a new era of architectural wonder. The fusion of human creativity and AI precision can result in groundbreaking designs that push the boundaries of what's possible. We can create cities that are both technologically advanced and deeply human. These urban landscapes will seamlessly blend technology with nature, creating environments that are both functional and beautiful. Buildings that are not just efficient, but also inspiring. Structures that tell a story, evoke emotions, and stand as testaments to human ingenuity. This collaboration is not about replacing human creativity, but about amplifying it. AI can handle the heavy lifting of data analysis and optimization, freeing human architects to focus on innovation and expression. By leveraging the strengths of both AI and human architects, we can design a future that is both innovative and inspiring. Together, they can create spaces that are not only functional, but also resonate on a deeper emotional level. Take, for example, the recent collaboration between AI and human architects on the Harmony Tower. This project combined AI's data-driven insights with human creativity to produce a structure that is both efficient and artistically stunning. The Harmony Tower stands as a testament to what can be achieved when AI and human architects work together. Its design is not only functional but also deeply resonates with the community it serves. As we look to the future, the collaboration between AI and human architects will continue to evolve, leading to even more innovative and inspiring designs. This partnership is just the beginning of a new era in architecture. The rise of the AI architect is not something to be feared but embraced. It's an opportunity to push the boundaries of design and create a world where buildings are not just structures but extensions of our dreams. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting future, one question remains: what will we design together? The future of architecture is a collaborative journey, where human creativity and AI innovation converge to shape a sustainable and intelligent built environment. Together we can envision and construct spaces that not only meet our needs but also inspire future generations. If you believe the future of architecture is already here, tell us in the comments. Would you live in a home 100% designed by AI? In tomorrow's video, AI enters the kitchen. Can it outcook a Michelin star chef? Subscribe for more battles between AI and the real world.